Right, so guys, oil went up 24% in just one day. And yun, based dun sa previous post natin about this asset, ayun nga, we continue to be bullish about it because of the ongoing geopolitical tension. And usually during the weekends, and yun nga, nasubaybayan natin yung news over the weekend, and hindi pa rin naman talaga nagbabago, no? Wala pang peace agreement, wala pang ceasefire. So ganon, continuously tumataas pa rin siya, and all-time high nito is around 140, so we can expect that it can hit that. Also, this one is really fast because yung daanan ng oil export sinarado, no? So talagang may shortage talaga ng oil worldwide. So that's why like what I said, fill up your tanks. Yung magkakaroon talaga ng epekto yan sa local economy natin, na affected tayo dyan sa Philippines. And ayun nga, not just diesel, gas, not just that, everything, no, kasama mga food dyan, so groceries and everything that uses logistics will be affected. So pero ito, as a trader, we continue to be still bullish, pero at this level, at that kind of gap, it could have that pullback, yung malaking pullback talaga. And we cannot put sell orders yet, but what we can do is that every time it pulls back, we can buy on dips. And so go on the lower time frame and look for better opportunities, and have some stops then, kasi this could go really fast. It could go down fast with just one news, no, na nagkaroon ng peace agreement or ng ceasefire. Magkakaroon talaga ng malaking pagbagsak yan, and it could fill the gap. So yung gap niyan is around 90. Yan. So from that point, it could go down fast with 20-30% down. So ayun, and also yun nga, no, nakita nga ni tweet din ni Donald Trump na yung oil is just one of the price, na small price to pay for the global safety, and one peace agreement, it could go down fast. So siya na nagsabi nun, and all traders, all investors are thinking the same. So we could watch out for that. And so, pero right now it's still ongoing, still active, and yeah, we continue to buy on dips on here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.